Hi, IB juniors. As much as I've enjoyed making these videos, I'm going to be really excited when I don't have to anymore. And that brings up an important point that this is a big week because we are transitioning into our last unit. So we do have a lot to cover. Um, and it's not going to be the way that I want to do it. But with your help, by being some of you a bit more engaged with video conferencing and responding to any written feedback I give you, we can finish this up the right way. I want you guys to be on the right foot starting the fall in history class. All right, so let's talk about today, and it starts with the do now assignment. Now, I am asking a serious question there, and it's about if there's anything you want me to do differently. I'm trying to do the best that I can, and I want this to be more interactive between you and I. There are some things that I'll do differently if you ask me to, but I would like to see more of you at video conferences. I'd like to hear more from you on really any way, whether it be responding to a remind text or a message on Schoology or any feedback that I give on assignments. I would just really like you to be more engaged, and that's going to be important for the last assignment on the Russian Revolution. And then definitely also as we move into the last unit, we really got to get locked in here so we finish the year right. Okay, so that's first thing. Second, the Russian Revolution quiz is due on Wednesday. That's already available for those of you that have finished that last assignment. Get started on it. Get 2 attempts. There's no essay development or anything like that. It's 35 points. It's like a little test or a big quiz, whatever you want to call it. But it's available to you now, so do your best with it if you're done with everything. The video conference at 11 would be helpful. I think this last assignment particularly, and we can talk about it again on Wednesday, but the last assignment is particularly significant as it relates to World War II and as it relates to really events that still happen, anti-Semitic events. So that's an important assignment. It's worth some discussion. Okay, so that's that. So that quiz is available to you, and there also is a documentary that we're going to watch in that last unit. That's also available. It's called Paris 1919. Feel free to get started on that if you would like. Other than that, have a great night. I hope you, if you're fortunate enough to have a mother in your life, that you were gracious and you did something very nice for them on Mother's Day. And if you haven't, make sure that you do. All right? Have a wonderful day. As always, contact me if you need anything.